Hello and good morning. How are you all, the students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine. I'm your science teacher, Miss Kul, and today we will do the revision of the school workbook, unit number 5, animals, and unit number 6, solids, liquid, and gases. So let's watch the revision video. Unit number 5, animals. How are ducks able to swim in water? डक्स कैसे स्विम करते हैं वाटर में? डक्स हैव वेब्ड फीट टू हेल्प देम स्विम इन वाटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाई डू जिराफ हैज लॉन्ग नेक? आंसर, इट कैन ईट द लीव्स ऑफ टॉल ट्रीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट फूड डू वी गेट फ्रॉम एनिमल्स? We get milk, meat, and eggs from animals. Question number 4 is, what is the difference between wild animals and tame animals? Wild animals live in the forest and jungle, while tame animals can live with us. Question number 5 is, write the characteristics of the animals given below. Animal type birds. Birds have wings, feathers, and beaks. Animals have horn, tail, and 4 legs. Fish have fins, scales, and tail. Human have head, 2 hands, and 2 legs. These are the characteristics of birds, animals, fish, and human. Unit number 6, solids, liquids, and gases. Question number 1 is, what is matter? Solids, liquids, and gases are called matter. Question number 2, what are natural resources? Answer is, things that are found in nature are called natural resources. Question number 3, what are man-made resources? Some materials are made by humans are called man-made resources. What happens when water freezes? It becomes ice. Yes. What happens when ice melts? It becomes liquid. And what happens when water is heated? It becomes gas. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.